Hi, I wanted to talk to you about a very, very important topic, which is about organizing and, just brain dumping and organizing your thoughts so that you are very clear in your business of what you're supposed to be doing and what your focus needs to be on. So today's topic is for those of you who want to avoid overwhelm and who want to be very strategic in their time management. Watch, because you're going to learn a lot. So before we go on, I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay, so here's my screen, and this is what I wanted to show you, that when I am doing any sort of brain dumping, I just put it down here on post-it notes. This is inside Canva, and this helps me prioritize all my millions of ideas, because if you're like me, you have so many things going on and you're juggling. So this sort of helps. So for example, once I put all these on my post-it notes, I then arrange them. So this is like the social media management related stuff and what needs to be done in that. And then I can pretty much just duplicate this and write something else related to that. And as it gets done, I delete it. And it's also really good if you don't want to do it this way. This I find really good in terms of brainstorming. And then if you're the sort who wants to take it to Trello or to, one of the other apps, then that's a good idea as well. But I like to keep it here because it's a lot of stuff. And then whichever thing I'm working on, I kind of take it next step. And the stars are basically the priority. What is priority at the moment? So this has everything. This has not just work related stuff. It has like family related stuff, health and housework and, all that sort of stuff. Hiring and outsourcing and marketing and website related work, lead gen, PR work, sales work, all of that kind of stuff, and the coaching and, all of that. So it really helps me narrow things down. It really helps me organize my thoughts. And the best thing is that it just helps me, like I said, organize my thoughts. It's a brain dump. So when you're putting these, the only thing I do, the only formula I have for this is that I just start doing them in the same color. It's literally, I just drag this from here and just copy one and bring it here and just start typing, and then make another copy from that and then another copy from that. And it's only when I'm organizing I change the color, or if that's what I want to do, really click here and change the colors from here. And if that's what you want to do, you can leave it at this the same sort of colors as well, if that doesn't bother you. And that's pretty much it. And it really, really helps organize things. And I hope you like that. And here's something that you can see on the back end. I have different types of boards and I use them for different things. And sometimes I take them on and use it on a different or new page. So for example, when I'm planning my courses or a coaching program, before I take it to Trello, I do it here. So again, same methodology. I just post everything like on a post-it note, like literally how you would do it physically on a post-it note. And then later on, I start organizing them as where they were going to go, and I rename this to whatever. The only reason I've kept the name at this point is so that if I need to remember it later on, I know where I got it. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and there will be more time management and productivity related videos in the future. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel.